So you're feeling overwhelmed and verging on burnout? Well, sit tight and listen up. So I'm going to share with you my top 3 go-tos that are going to help unlock your full potential and start accelerating your consulting career. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video on accelerating your consulting career. What I'm about to share with you are the same techniques that I've used my entire 35-year consulting career. And trust me, when I started applying them to my daily life, my career shot off like a rocket. And the same thing is going to happen to you. Let's get into it. Number 1, commit to a daily exercise regimen. No, you don't have to be Arnold Schwarzenegger, but exercising at least 30 minutes every day is a great way to reduce stress and improve your overall health and well-being. I recommend you exercise first thing in the morning because it's a great way to set up your entire day for success. I hit the gym at 5 a.m. in the morning. I start out with a 45-minute high-intensity interval training program on my Peloton bike. Follow that with a 30-minute weight training program, then a 5-minute core abdominal training program, and then 5 minutes of meditation. And I try to follow this same routine whether I'm on the road or I'm at home. If this is speaking to you, hit that like button and comment below and share with us your favorite workout routine. Number 2, improve your overall diet. Cut out all the fat foods and all the processed foods. Eat more fruits and vegetables. You know, the more color on your plate, the better off you're going to be. Add a daily vitamin regimen. Include vitamins B12, C, D, zinc, and fish oils every single day. Treat your body like the high-performing engine that it is. You know, you wouldn't pour a can of paint or glue into the gas tank of your car and expect it to run effectively, would you? Well, don't put processed foods and junk food into your body. You're going to get the same result. Comment below and share with us your favorite vitamin regimen. Number 3, get more sleep. You know, my wife always says that sleep is for the dead. And I get it. She views sleep as lost time. But for me, I really need that solid 8 hours every night to be high performing the next day. You know, despite working long hours in our consulting lifestyle, don't cut corners on getting rest and getting good quality sleep every night. Getting sufficient sleep is key to helping you reduce stress, fatigue, and burnout. It gives your body the opportunity to rest, rejuvenate, and prepare itself for the next day's challenges. If this is starting to speak to you, hit that like button and comment below and share with us what the average number of hours you get every night. If you're struggling with your IT and business consulting career, hit that link below and download my Consulting Career Accelerator app. Let's start accelerating your consulting career. Be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. And check out this next video titled, Focus on What Really Matters in Your Consulting Career. You can find a link down in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.